Imagine a customer walks into your vape shop, excited to grab their favorite new flavor or vape device. But when they try to pay with their credit card, the transaction is declined. They ask, "Do you take cards?" You say, "Sorry, it's cash only." That's a lost sale, and it happens far more often than you think. Welcome to the reality of vape retail in 2025. Because of heavy banking restrictions and payment processor refusals, many vape shops have no choice but to operate cash only. But here's the good news. You don't have to lose those customers or those sales. Today, we're diving deep into how a simple solution, installing an ATM inside your vape shop, can not only solve your payment headaches, but also drive more sales, better customer loyalty, and a steady new income stream. Stick around if you want to turn your shop into a hassle-free, cash-ready, profit powerhouse. Section 1. Regulatory constraints and payment limitations. First, let's break down why vape shops have such a hard time with credit card payments. Due to increasing regulations around tobacco and vape products, banks and payment processors categorize vape shops as high risk. What does this mean? 1. Higher fees or outright denial of merchant accounts. Many banks don't want to touch vape retailers. 2. Payment processors block or flag vape transactions to comply with legal restrictions. 3. Some shops are forced to only accept cash, or else risk chargebacks and account freezes. This isn't just theory, it's real impact. According to a 2023 industry survey, over 40% of vape shops nationwide still operate cash only because of these restrictions. That means millions of potential sales are walking out the door every day because customers can't pay how they want. So what's the solution? Enter the ATM, your gateway to cash payments that bypass all these problems. Section 2. Customer experience. Now, let's talk about your customers. An ATM isn't just a cash dispenser, it's a customer experience enhancer. Imagine this. Your customer walks in, wants to buy $40 worth of vape juice and accessories, but they forgot their cash. With an ATM right there, they can simply withdraw money and complete their purchase. No frustration, no lost sale. And that convenience breeds loyalty. Studies show customers are more likely to return to stores where their preferred payment methods are accepted. Plus, cash payments often lead to higher average transaction sizes because cash feels tangible and immediate. Here's a quick stat for you. Vape shops with ATMs installed report a 10 to 15% increase in average basket size compared to similar stores without ATMs. It's a win-win. Your customer feels valued, and you get more revenue without spending more on advertising or promotions. But convenience isn't just about payment. It's about speed too. Long lines or waiting to use a shared ATM outside can turn customers off. That's why placing the ATM inside your shop near checkout is critical. It's seamless, it's quick, and it keeps your customers moving through the store. Ultimately, that's what every retail business wants. Happy customers, more sales, and fewer missed opportunities. Section 3. Profitability Overview. Let's get to the heart of it. How much can an ATM really make you? The answer might surprise you. Small machine, big money. A typical ATM surcharge fee is around $3 per withdrawal. For a vape shop that sees 15 transactions a day. 15 transactions multiply $3, surcharge equals sign $45 per day. $45 per day multiply 30 days equals sign $1,300 per month. $1,300 per month multiply 12 months equals sign $16,200 per year. That's $16,200 per year from a machine that takes up about 2 square feet of floor space. And the best part? Low maintenance. Modern ATMs are designed for minimal downtime. Remote monitoring. You get real-time alerts if the machine needs attention. Outsourced cash loading. You can partner with ATM service providers who handle restocking cash and maintenance. This means your ATM earns money for you with very little time or effort required on your part. More feet through your door. Another bonus? ATMs drive foot traffic. People searching for ATM near me will find your vape shop. This adds a stream of potential customers who might not have otherwise stopped by. And once they're inside, they're exposed to your product range, resulting in additional sales beyond the ATM fees. Cross-sell opportunities. Vape shops can boost income further by positioning high-margin impulse items near the ATM, such as disposable vapes, batteries and chargers, branded accessories. This pairing turns each ATM transaction into a mini marketing opportunity. Quick ROI. The upfront cost for ATM installation is often covered within months by the surcharge income alone. After that, it's pure profit. Section 4. Installation, security, and best practices. Installing an ATM in your vape shop is easier than you think. Most ATM providers offer free installation, including selecting the right machine for your traffic levels, installing the device in a prime location, training your staff on basic troubleshooting. But it's not just about the machine. Security is key, both for you and your customers. Make sure your ATM has anti-skimming technology to prevent card data theft, bright lighting around the machine to ensure customer safety, visible security cameras to deter vandalism and theft. You should also verify your insurance covers the ATM against damage or theft. And of course, always work with a reputable ATM provider who guarantees uptime and fast service response times. By following these best practices, you ensure your ATM remains a secure, reliable, and profitable part of your business. Let's sum it all up. Vape shops face tough payment challenges, but an in-store ATM solves many of those problems at once. It offers easy access to cash for your customers, increased sales by preventing lost transactions, recurring monthly income with minimal upkeep, a competitive edge that turns your store into a cash-ready destination. So ask yourself, how much longer can you afford to turn away customers just because of payment issues? Installing an ATM could be one of the smartest moves you make this year. Ready to get started? Click the link below to schedule your free profitability assessment. We'll walk you through exactly how much your vape shop can earn, the best ATM options for your space, and how fast you can start seeing results. Don't miss out on this simple way to boost revenue and keep customers coming back. Drop your questions in the comments, hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more ways to make your business work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Click the link below to schedule your free profitability assessment today.